Suddenly, we heard the call of parking yard. Some distance away, it shouted quite frantic. After a minute, langoose started making noises and birds started fly around. We stopped our jeep, stopped talking with each other, and tried to feel the silence of jungle. We confirmed with our share of doubt. There is a tiger lurking around.
Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Travel with Rehan. I make entertaining travel videos. Today I will show you the beauty of Jim Corbett National Park. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.
Jim Corbett National Park lies in the state of Uttarakhand. We started our journey from Nainital. Jim Corbett National Park is situated near a city named Ramnagar, which is easily accessible and very approachable through road and rail. Before reaching Corbett, we are heading to the winter home of Jim Corbett at Kalatungi, which is located only 30 km from Nainital. The house, which is today known as Corbett Museum, is the same place where Jim Corbett stayed for a long time with his sister Maggie before he shifted to Kenya. Jim Corbett was a British hunter, tracker, naturalist, and author who hunted a number of man-eating tigers and leopards in India. Jim Corbett was born of British ancestry in the town of Nainital in the Kumaun of Himalaya. From a very early age, Jim was fascinated by the forests and wildlife around its home in Kalatungi. The museum had information not just about Corbett, but also the men who went hunting with him. Jim Corbett often hunted with Robin, a dog he rooted about in Man-Eaters of Kumaun. The house is filled with paintings depicting Corbett's life and his parents. We watched Jim Corbett's personal articles, gun, sketches, manuscripts, stamp, and his famous books. During his life, Corbett tracked and shot a number of leopards and tigers. About a dozen were well documented man-eaters. Historians, heritage and wildlife lovers take a must visit to this special museum. After a heavy journey, we check in our book resort. After seeing this beautiful room, I and my brother more excited when we knew that we will be staying 3 days 3 nights in this fabulous resort. The rooms are designed and decorated with all modern amenities for the comfort of all guests. Walking on the bank of river Koshi in the early morning gives us a divine experience. Complete silence with the river flowing over white rocks. Koshi River is a Himalayan river originating from Almora district of Kumaon in Uttarakhand and travels through the valley of Ramnagar to join the Ramganga river. Koshi River quenches the thirst of a large number animal in the Jim Corbett National Park. If you visited here, you could revel in the pristine charm of the rising sun and breathtaking scenery around you. Located right on the bank of River Koshi, this resort is huge, with a pool, big lawns, play area and much more. Our jungle safari is scheduled for tomorrow, so we are enjoyed our day by playing cricket, table tennis, etc. After watching the swimming pool, me and my brother can't control ourselves and take a dip in the swimming pool. We were our candlelight dinner and take a sleep. But I didn't sleep at night because I was so excited for tomorrow's jungle safari. We drove down to Amdanda Gate through our open Maruti Gypsy for Bijrani's own jungle safari. After checking the permit, we were entered the much awaited jungle safari. The jeep accommodated 6 of us with guide uncle and driver uncle. The guide uncle informed us about the rules to be followed within the park. We saw some spotted deer and barking deer. The herds seemed to be intent on running deeper into grasslands whenever jeeps passed them by. The present area of this oldest park in India, Jim Corbett National Park, is 1,318.54 square kilometers, including 520 square kilometers of core area and 792.72 square kilometers of buffer area. There are 6 zones that Jim Corbett National Park is divided. These are Dhikala, Bijrani, Jirna, Durga Devi, Dhela and Sitabani. After traveling deeper into the forest for a while, jeep took a sharp and quick turn to left. Then guide uncle pointed out a white owl. Guide uncle says some of the most established birdwatchers visit Corbett to observe various variety of birds. Bijrani and Dhikala's forest houses offer its visitor the facilities to stay inside the jungle. If someone is interested to stay amidst the large forest, then go to government website. If anyone loves for nature, he can watch the beauty of nature. Then Watchtower is place where he can enjoy this. Jim Corbett National Park is a treat for nature and wildlife lovers. From marshy swamps to overarching hills, from riverine bells to lake, every geographical component is present here. There are many water holes in this park, and one rare picture there. I saw the deers live with the monkeys.
हमारे रामनगर आने तक उन्होंने 15 किलोमीटर में कम से कम 15-20 को फोन कर दिया। मैंने 60 खाना 60 को भाग दिया रामनगर से आने में। वो गेट रामनगर से 15 किलोमीटर आगे पड़ता है। ये वो विशेष मुमकी भी है। जंगल में टाइगर दिखाने में इनका बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। ये
Suddenly, we heard the call of parking deer. Some distance away, it shouted quite friendly. After a minute, langoose started making noises and birds started fly around. We stopped our jeep, stopped talking with each other, and tried to feel the silence of jungle. We confirmed with our share of doubt. There is a tiger lurking around. The ace with which the jeep traveled the hard and rugged terrain of park astonished us. As we drove deeper into the forest, we saw giant ant hills, a rare beautiful bunny, red jungle falls, and Indian grey mongoose, quite few langurs, and different deers. Though we were disappointed for not having seen a tiger, but the feel of jungle, heart thumping aloud, and living on the edge was invigorating. After return from a beautiful safari, we saw a breathtaking view of full moon Koshi River. Early morning, we drove down to Sitabani Forest, which is a buffer zone. Before entering the Sitabani Forest, a giant elephant welcomed us. We were sat on a howdah, a large beast arranged on the back of elephant, and started a slowly exhilarating safari experience from the main entrance of the Sitabani. Surprised the breathtaking landscape of Sitabani zone. This is absolutely a hidden paradise for nature lovers. We saw innumerable colorful birds like seagull, kingfisher, hornbill, leaf birds, spot-winged starlings, puff-throated bibbles, to name a few. When we were returning our resort, we get a chance to see a local horse rider bring his horses near the Kosi River. Now we are way back home. We are agreed that the experience was mind blowing and beyond what we had expected. The great explorer Mr. Ibn Battuta says traveling, it leaves you speechless, then turns you into a storyteller.